Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see if a Facebook page is running Facebook ads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and you need to log in into your Facebook account and then you need to search for the page. So I'm going to search for a random page. Okay, so let me search for the KFC. Then you need to scroll down and here you can see page transparency. Click on see all and here you can see that this page is currently running ads. Okay, and if you want to see the ads, you simply need to click on go to ad library and here you can see all the ads that are running by KFC now at that time, as you can see that. So this is a process by which you can see if a Facebook page is running Facebook ads. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.